good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 19 from verse 1 to verse 15. Then Pilate take Jesus and make him soldier them beat him. Them take macabush, make crown, put it on him head. Then them dress him up in a purple robe. Them go up to him over and over again and say to him, say, manners and respect to the Jew them king. And them box him in him face over and over again. So one another time, Pilate come out to the Jew them and say, "Who no look, see me a take him out too now, so you can see say me no find say him do nothing wrong." Then Jesus come out and wear the maca crown and the purple robe. And Pilate said to them, say, "Who no look, see the man here." When the head priest them and them where guard God house see him, them shout out, "Nail him up on the cross, make him dead. Nail him up." So Pilate said to them, say, "Who no take him and nail him up on yourself? Me no see him do nothing wrong." But the Jew leader them still bawl out, "We have one law we say him for dead. Cause him a talk about how him a God boy picnic." When Pilate hear them said that day, him catch him afraid more than how him did afraid already. So him go back in him palace and ask Jesus say, "Which part you come from?" But Jesus not answer him. "You not talk to me," Pilate said to him. "You know, say me have power to let you go or to make you dead upon the cross." Jesus answer him and say, "You wouldn't have no power over me if God didn't give it. So then, the somebody will carry me come give you, do one worse a sin than you." From that time there, Pilate try and try to let him go. But the Jew leader them did keep on a shout and say, "If you make the man you get away, you and Caesar are no friend. Anybody will say them a king, a fight against Caesar." When Pilate hear them said that day, he take Jesus go out the door and then him go sit down in the judge seat where they the place where they call stone floor. In the Hebrew language, it named Gabata. At the afternoon, on the day before Passover start, when Pilate said to the Jew leader them say, "Who no see no king ya?" But then shout out say, "Take him away! Take him away! Nail him on the cross, make him dead." "Me fi nail up on a king on the cross, make him dead?" Pilate asked them. "Caesar are the only king we have," the head priest them said to him. "A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God